Big moments during day 5 of testimony in the Colt baby murder trial. The defendant in tears as her mom takes the stand. Now, this witness, Renee Driver, opted out of being shown on camera, but we have her audio. Today, she told the jury that Chloe was the youngest of 3 kids, that there was a falling out of sorts. Chloe moved away, and then she saw her years later with Benjamin. She suspected that there was trouble and abuse in their relationship at one point in time, tried to help her escape that relationship. But on cross, the jury heard that even after Hannah was killed, Chloe, behind bars, wanted to be with Benjamin.
At any point in time, did you ever, based on what you saw with Chloe, ever think that she would harm Hannah?
Absolutely not.
Did you have any concerns that she would ever harm herself?
I didn't think about it at the time, but now that I look back at so much and remember things, possibly, yes.
So this, when you got that phone call from Canton Police, you were floored, correct?
Yes, I thought I lost my daughter and my granddaughter.
Okay.
Well, I did lose my granddaughter.
You had repeatedly tried to get Chloe to leave that situation and she refused, correct?
She didn't refuse. She wanted to, but there was no way out.
You're aware that after she killed Hannah, she continued to reach out to
Yes.
Brian and maintain a relationship with him, right? Do you understand that when she was reaching out to him, he could not access her physically and he could not call her? Are you aware that she made over 617 phone calls to him?
600? No, I was not.
Renee Driver ended her testimony by saying that she lives with regret each and every day, and she wishes that she had done more.
617 calls. That's incredible to hear, Matt. I want to ask you about a woman. I know she took the stand. We've heard about her throughout this trial. She was a bystander, but she got involved. She saw Chloe being chased by another man that we've seen on the stand, Jason Spillars, who told us a lot about this cult.
Yeah, someone that was outside of this cult world, so to speak, a key witness for the defense, really painting a picture of abuse, and was attacked, in fact, by the men in Chloe's life. Sandra Torres took the stand, telling the jury about an incident that happened in November of 2020. She was just driving down the street in South Carolina and witnessed Chloe Driver running from the men and screaming for help. Take a listen.
Chloe Driver, it's 11/27/2020. I am being forced to get into a truck with Benjamin and Kyle or Brian Joyce to see my daughter again because he has kept her away from me. I do not know where she is, and he won't tell me anything. He's kept her with people that I don't really know well, and I don't know what's going on with her, and I'm being forced to get in the car and go with him to be able to see her. And I don't even know if I'm actually going straight to her, but I'm doing whatever I think I can to get to her. Her name is Hannah Nicole.
So that was video taken by Chloe's mom of Chloe demonstrating how she wanted to be rescued. Now let's show you the video from the witness that I was just talking about, Sandra Torres. We have a picture of her, and this is what was shown to the jury. A picture of her face with major injuries after an attack by Jason Spillars. Spillars, as we know, testified earlier in the trial. Now let's play the soundbite of that attack, please.
She came around the vehicle and told me, "You don't know what you've done. You don't know what kind of trouble you've caused." And I was like, well, I didn't know what to say, but she was up in my face, like right here. Jason came around my vehicle yelling and screaming at me, and then boom, hit me right in the face.
And do you recall where Mr. Spillars specifically hit you?
Like, just boom, right in the whole, I mean, I didn't even see it coming. I wasn't expecting it. And so he just got me right in the side of the face.
Okay, and it was one punch that took you to the ground?
One punch.
What kind of medical care did you have to receive for this?
Well, so I stopped. I left the scene, drove myself, because they wanted to leave my vehicle there, and they wouldn't move my vehicle, and I didn't feel safe to have my vehicle sitting there. So I ended up leaving, went to urgent care right around the corner to have them look, and they told me this was an incident that I needed to go to the hospital for. So they actually went to Mission Hospital, and they got me in so quick, and they took x-rays of the face, and he had broken my eye socket.
Even after all that, that witness, Sandra Torres, says that she would intervene again, even though she was attacked like that. Very credible witness. She was not cross-examined. That was pretty interesting. Well, on the stand right now, remember there's a delay in the case, a psychologist talking about the cult beliefs, including that this group thought that there were only a few thousand people on the earth that were real people. Everybody else was fake. And of course, they were some of the real people.